Hi everyone, welcome back to another online session from a different location, of course. This is for my students of architecture, so others can kind of scroll down if you will. You're most welcome to stay back, but do hit that like button, right? And if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, right? That's very important, you know. Well, you see, I had been practicing and preaching as an architect for the past 2 decades across India and abroad. With my hands on experience in designing and building numerous projects, I've gained some real life insight which I keep sharing with my students of architecture out there. Well, today, let me talk to you about something very intriguing that has come to my mind very recently. Yeah. Being brought up in a village, I was always curious about the mesmerizing countryside, the clean and green nature, the sweetest and the purest of foods, and the organic nature of vernacular architecture. But living in cities for many decades now, I used to always miss and kept wondering those days and how could you bring back some flavor of the nature back to us? Yeah. Was there any better way to spruce up the architecture of our smart cities that we live in with a true flavor of the villages other than some superficial gardening and landscaping and so on? I think I just found the right answer, which I am working on it right now. Sometime back, I was exploring some new age technology in urban landscape architecture of smart cities, just as when I came across this unique agricultural formula of growing organic flora with very little natural resources and human intervention. Something clicked like magic. How about marrying this agricultural formula, this scientific agricultural formula, with a standardized architectural formula of building construction technologies and so on, and making something agri and architecture together, why not call it agri-texture? Why not? I have talked about this in very detail in my book that I have, Think Beyond Architecture series of books, the one that I've written on smart cities. Okay, you will get a link on that. Go check it out. You see, fundamentally, agri-texture can be called as the art, the science and the business of integrating agriculture into the architecture of smart cities for tomorrow. On a global perspective, something in these lines were also thought about by Henry Gordon Smith sometime in the year 2011 probably, when he was researching how smart cities could use agriculture to address environmental, social and economic challenges and to develop resilient food systems in the urban cocoon or the urban environment that we are in. Understanding from everywhere else, let's say by definition, agri-texture should mean applying architectural thinking with the designing of agricultural and architectural thinking together to make a built environment or built form for tomorrow, which has to be sustainable, of course. I practice what I preach. In my practical experience, I would suggest architects and urban farmers should incorporate agriculture into the surrounding city environment in a very specific and very different and unique way to make it sustainable for the future. We have seen that sad scenario where the architects frequently design impossible urban farming systems and urban agricultural concepts that ignore the realities of successful farming operations. On the other hand, agriculturists and horticulturists often miss the important aspect of architecture, how to make build forms sustainable, how to make build form as important as it is supposed to be. Yeah, therefore it is important to understand that agricultural impact on architecture, which is agri-texture, is about integrating the disciplines of agriculture and architecture together so that urban farms can be more practical, both be benevolently useful to their surroundings and practical as well as ones in the smart cities that we are creating, right? In today's world, it is important to explore agri-texture more through online platforms in order to wide range of global and urban local students of architecture and beyond. Such topics, they may study like greenhouse production, vertical farming system, aquaponics, hydroponics, regenerative farming, agriculture, food systems and so on. I'm happy to have already started educating and consulting in these lines in collaboration with a brand called Green Roots, powered by Mentor Desk Academy, Kolkata, in collaboration with Pegasus Design Studios, which is designed to help students, entrepreneurs, developers and smart cities to launch farming and grow your own food production systems. Make sustainable architecture, sustainable livelihood for the future and think beyond architecture, I should say. I'm sure this concept will successfully balance the art, the science and the business of integrating agriculture into the architecture of the smart cities for tomorrow. I sincerely believe that we should keep learning, and as an architect, as an architectural student, there is no end to learning and you should be continuously learning, right? Let me know your thoughts, your views, your comments on this particular topic. Write in that box below. I'll get back to you. See you.